message out there to all the young ladies, and to basically to anybody, to the young girls, the young ladies, the young men, the young gentlemen. Just know that anything in this life that you are trying, that you want, just believe that you've already received it. Welcome back to the William fam. What's up, guys? It is to school, so this is gonna be a day of quarantine homeschooling in the life of the William family. Yeah, so I just woke up the kids and they're up and get myself together, get downstairs organized for them so they can be set up and ready to go for school. I think they're gonna go make breakfast. Knowing them, they'll probably just have cereal, something quick and easy. That's probably what they'll have. I'm going to go make myself some breakfast too, and yeah, and then I have some stuff that I gotta do in the house. I gotta go through some of my books. I have my old college books and stuff like that, so I'm gonna go through because I want to donate some stuff. Well, their books anyways. I have some children books and stuff like that the kids them did no longer need, and since they've gotten new books, I need to get rid of all their other books and their baby ones. So I'm going to do that. Let me get up out of this bed and get myself together, and yes, let me do that now. Oh my god, turn off that alarm!
That's funny.
So it's so annoying. Hi guys, welcome back. So it is a day of the week and we're starting school. It's 8:15 and we woke up at 8 o'clock, but our school starts at 9. But mommy wants to make sure that we're ready before we start school. So yeah. Honestly, I wish summer was back because I don't want to do school. Nobody wants to do school.
But
we're just eating breakfast and on our computer because I'm not getting ready yet. So you can turn off the fan. And I am eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I'm going to use my computer and my phone. So
by the time you have to have it.
Yeah, by 8:30 I'm gonna get ready. We're just in like 4 minutes.
Wait, I have
minutes.
Zoom class. I think I have Zoom.
I'm gonna continue eating and using my computer until, well, my time has run up. I need to comb my hair and get dressed for school. I'll come back when I'm getting ready. Alright guys, good. So I am finally, well, got myself together. The kids are supposed to be coming downstairs just now to get class started.
So this is an example of a Google Classroom. When your child logs in, they'll see their teacher's name is up top.
My printer is here just continuously jamming, and I'm trying to get it fixed. I can't get it fixed. Oh. So I'm gonna have to wait till hubby gets home to help me fix that. I'm trying to figure out what to make for dinner later, but I think I might just do some corned beef and fried dumpling. I haven't done that in a while, so I think I might just do that. So yeah, the girls They're on break, their lunch break now. So that's what they're doing. Having their time. And I guess their new form break is social media and whatever's on the internet. That is their newfound break. No outside recess. And it's raining outside. So what a day. And this one here is just staring at me as usual. So he doesn't start school until tomorrow. So that's when he starts school. So he just had his orientation and went through whatever steps he had to get done. So that's pretty much it. But it is cold outside. Oh my goodness, can you believe I heard that California is supposed to get snow? Wow. Yes, California, keep it over there. I know you guys don't get snow, but keep that snow over there, boy. I know it's been getting so cold and I've been so stuffy, but you know what? Oh shoot, I need to go downstairs, go do that. Oh, I think I'm gonna do that later. I said it for the last 2 weeks. I was supposed to go downstairs, go start packing out, going through my books. Oh Lord, so going through not even just my books, the kids' them books and stuff like that, and whether I'm gonna donate the books them and stuff like that. So I need to definitely go and get that done. But I think maybe I'll just do it later on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Have my teacher's break, I guess. Yeah, so I'm gonna go have my teacher's break, and then when the kids the girls finish their break and stuff, then they will go back. I hope if your kids are going to school, already started school, I hope they're safe. And oh man, pray and hope that your kid does not take off their mask and switch masks with other kids, and pray and hope that they're washing their hands more often when they go to the bathroom. Oh Lord. So because you already know young kids, they see mask and they're like, oh, that's cool, I like your mask, you want to switch? You have all that to worry about, you know. And just the fact that they're always touching their face, because as humans we touch our face or skin a lot. God knows how much time I've just touched my face, my skin, since I've been here just talking to you guys. So yeah, so that is, see. So that is what we're just doing right now. So I'm going to take a 5 myself, go upstairs, and I gotta go send off some emails, and I have to do a couple of posts, and yeah. So, and I gotta go actually organize myself. I gotta organize my schedule. I need to actually go and get me a schedule book so I could schedule my videos and stuff like that, and my posts, and just get myself organized. Because I always believe in, when you're organizing stuff, it just makes things a lot more easier. And I am not, for a little bit I have not been organized, and I also need to edit a vlog to go up. I have a vlog going up tonight on my other channel, so that will be up. But I also need to, yeah, I have other things I need to go get done. So you know what, your girl is gonna go up and start doing that. So let me do that. I know it's getting dark. I just kind of want to go upstairs, relax, and watch a movie. So I'm gonna go up and do that. Okay, so I'm about to head out. I'm going to go do a quick errand.
Breakdown.
I gotta go to Walmart quickly, so I'm gonna head. Go ahead. So I'm going to head to Walmart quickly and grab something. And then, yeah, I gotta come back and start dinner. I was actually just here watching the news, seeing what is taking place. A lot of parents, they are still concerned. So, you know, and I know as a parent that I would be fully nerve-wracking if my kids them were in school, and just thinking about them having to sit all day with that mask on. You know, they cannot take it off unless they're having lunch, and then literally they gotta wash their hands, put it back on, and just to sit there and, you know, because if you look at it, and the university kids are having issue wearing the mask, what do they think is going to happen with the kids them that are in high school? If you have university and college people that are growing folks, these are big adults, and they're not fully obeying the rules, what do people think is going to happen to the younger kids? Right? So that's the other thing. Like, I'm sitting here and I'm just thinking about it. So I am actually,
it's hard to breathe in the mask.
Heading out. It's hard to breathe in it because you're not used to it, and when you're not used to something, it takes more time to get used to it. Oh, Faith, can you do me a favor? Go in my closet and grab my blue sweater for me. I don't know how cold it is outside. So that is what I'm going to do. Tell Memphis to come and throw these cans in the recycling, please. So yeah, guys, I am heading out now so I can go and get that done. Oh, well, at least I'm glad I started packing out winter stuff and all that stuff. I don't even know how I ended up bringing this downstairs. Okay, guys, so I'm going now. My baby is in school, guys. Well, she's downstairs, and I was eavesdropping on their classes. Do you hear? Yeah, so I was eavesdropping on her class. So today, good morning. Good morning, first of all. I was in her robe because I actually have the windows open and it's cold up in here. I'm on the phone, Mario's at work. I'm on the phone with him, but I gotta get stuff done. So that's what I'm doing. This one just woke up and he needs to get himself together and get in his classroom. So you're gonna have to do your stuff in your room. All right, so I'm just trying to figure out, going through some paper stuff. I gotta get some stuff done. So that is what I am here doing, and trying to get the video up for today. So I am doing that as well. So let me get back to what I'm doing, and hopefully I can get the video up for you guys later. So yeah, I got a few things that I gotta do, and I got a few videos I have to do today as well. So let me get myself together and get on my grind. Oh my. So I am actually, it's late now. Another day has gone. Oh my goodness. So, oh, let me just put in this pasta. I am making some, what am I making? I am making stir fry, and yeah, so I'm making stir fry. So I'm making beef stir fry for dinner. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I got my Pocahontas hairstyle on. I actually had to receive some clothes. I will be doing a try on haul coming soon. Yeah, and this is one of the pieces. I love it. So these are, I just got some like homeware and stuff like that because your girl needed some new pieces, definitely. So I got me some. Let me get this thing put in. Let me put this pasta in. Let me put y'all over here. Make cocking up over here, so. Oh Lord. I said loyal to you. Have you guys heard that new song? It's by, what is it called? It's by Shanil. I'm not quite sure of her name and if I'm saying the name right. And actually, I'm gonna make you a little clip of it. This is my jam. This song relates so much to me and hubby. Y'all don't even know it. Y'all don't even know it. Let me see if I can find the song. Hold on. Let it run through there. So let me find the song for you guys. And that song, it just resonates with me and hubby because let me tell you guys, me and hubby, we have gone through so much. Me and Mario, so much. That's a little bit we've gone through, but you know, we put up the fight and we stick through it all. Let me turn this down. Is this ready yet? Okay. And we stick through it all, and we're still here together, still good, strong. And you know, me always have to thank God above for that. Okay, listen to the tunes. Let me turn up the bad tune. Let me see. Here we go. So it's by Chanel and Vibes Cartel, called Loyal. That, if you guys have not listened to that song, go and listen. That song that song, just when it came out, it resonated with me, because that song is me and hubby to a T when it comes to certain stuff. That at the end of the day, no matter what, we're loyal to each other, and we have each other back. And even when people try their best to separate us, you know, whether it be family or friends, whatever you want to call them, acquaintances, we still standing strong. And that's just a message to anybody that, you know, is in relationship or just going through things. No matter what, stand strong in life and fight for what you believe in. If you believe in your marriage or your relationship is worth fighting for, fight for that relationship. But at the end of the day, you cannot fight for a relationship if you're the only one in it that's fighting. It does not work, because if the other party does not see where your relationship is worth fighting for, then that's where you guys are going to have the issue that comes in. So definitely fight for it. We've been through the storm, and let me tell you, the storm that we've been through was not an easy one. But you say, when you have a strong woman by your side, and that woman knows what she wants in life, and you stand firm for what you believe in, there is nothing that you can't overcome into this life. And for a message out there to all the young ladies, and to basically to anybody, to you, the young girls, the young ladies, the young men, the young gentlemen, just know that anything in this life that you are trying, that you want, just believe that you've already received it, and go out there and achieve what you want in life. Don't sit and wait for somebody to hand it to you, because in this life, nothing comes easy, right? Granny always, well, me never grow with no granny, so we can't really say it, but people always say, them granny always say, you want good, your nose have to run. And that's a saying from the islands that you always hear, right? And that means you want good, your nose have to run. That means if you want something good in life, you have to work hard to get it, because nothing comes free. Nothing comes free. No matter how much them say, okay, sale, clearance, free, there's always some form of a catch to it. So make sure, just know that anything you want in life, just put God first in everything you do and pray about it. And yeah, you just continue to pray and hope for the best, and you can pretty much achieve anything you want in life. Lord, there are some days when I wake up and I was like, you know, I can't do certain things, and I was like, I can't do this anymore, I can't do this. And it's like, you know, it's like almost like they always say, I have the devil on one shoulder saying, yes man, you can't do it, go sit down, you're too tired. And then you have the angel on the other side that's saying, keep pushing, because better must come. And out of all the struggles that you're going through, there will be a time that you will sit down and reminisce and be like, you know, say, look how when me did I go through that, and you know, like I was in this dark place and I seen the light and I came out, like them type of things. So trust me, I've been in some dark places, but I've always managed to pull myself through, and I've always managed to strive and try to do my best. And I've always at least tried to be an honest and open person, and the people them that know me know that I am a very transparent person, very transparent. If you ask me something, I will answer, but it also based on what it is. Sometimes I will answer and it might not be the answer that you're looking for, but I will give you my honest opinion. And that's one thing that you can definitely ask my husband about me when it comes to that. I'm the type of person, when something is bothering me, I say what's on my mind, right? Yeah, and definitely, that's why I said, anything in this life you're trying to achieve, go after it, because the only person that is stopping you is you. So that is just something that I wanted to say. And to all the young girls, the young moms that, you know, going through a rough time, whether it's to deal with your parents, sibling, or whatever, just know that things do get better and nothing lasts forever. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel, because when I was young and I was going through my stuff, I thought there was no light. I just could not find the light. It's almost like every time I try to reach somewhere in life, I had somebody like drawing me 10 steps back. It wasn't even 2 steps back, it was 10 steps back. And I just continued to pray through it all. And you know, I asked God, and I used to write down. Oh, well, I guess hubby is on his way up and the kids them are having dinner. I am finished, so I am heading upstairs to go have some, well, I guess you call it me time before hubby comes. Gonna go relax. Going to go relax. Going into my boudoir to go relax. So when hubby reaches, I guess he comes, I have a video that I need to edit, and yeah, I gotta sit down and do some planning of some videos that I want to get done. So I gotta get that done. I was actually uploading a video, so I got a few more videos I need to upload, so I am going to do that. And I have there's some other video will be coming out on the other channel, on my other channel as well. The channel link for Shann Studio will be in the description box, so you guys could also check out that channel that is below. So if you guys have not checked out Shann Studio, like I said, over there is where like most of my try-on hauls will be, hair videos, I guess review, and other things. So this channel is just going to be strictly, well, vlog and I guess talk time. Yes, so talk time. Yeah, so I'll do lives and stuff on here and just my vlogs, but for anything else will be on my other channel. So I will definitely keep you guys posted.
Today a lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That inna the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That inna the days and now it's every day. You want